This is the Airtel 5G Smart Box, and I know you've been seeing a lot of videos about this thing online and you don't know if you should buy it yet or not. So here is everything you need to know about this 5G Smart Box before you went ahead and waste your money. First of all, I know your question is this thing really unlimited? And yes, it is actually unlimited. Let me just say it like this. So you know that MTN 2000 for 15 gig, I use it sometimes twice a day. I finish once per day, but sometimes I have to do it twice a day. That's how much I use data. So that means within a day I use about 20-25 gig, and in 3 days I use 15 gig in 3 times. That's about 45 gig in 2 days. Now use that to consider, and me spending 2,000 naira every day for a month is about 60,000 naira. This device cost 52,000 naira when I bought it. It's actually 50,000 naira, but all these people that sells it always try to add their own money, so I bought it 52,000 naira. But once you bought it, you don't have to subscribe. It comes with free unlimited data for 1 month. After that 1 month, you have to subscribe for another one. After I finished my 1 month free, I subscribed the 20,000 naira one, and it has been good since then. So if you are considering if this is actually unlimited, yes, it is unlimited, and I've not experienced any data cap since then. Secondly, it is 5G enabled, but where I stay there is no 5G coverage, so I only use the 4G feature. I don't get to use the 5G, but it is still good. If Airtel network is not that good where you stay, please don't buy it. This thing, as much as I live in the city, but the Airtel network here is not really that good. There are some days that this thing will just decide, you know, this morning I'm tired, I don't want to work this morning, and it won't work. It won't work. It will be turned on. It's not that it won't turn on, it will turn on, but the network will just be so bad I have to switch to MTN sometimes. What I do now is I always have that 2,000 naira for 15 gig on my MTN just for backup. Sometimes the thing got expired that I have to roll over it again. But there are sometimes, very rare occasion, but there are sometimes that this will just turn on you. But if Airtel network is very good at your area, this is your guy. Go and buy it. You don't have any issue with that. But how many hours do you get from the battery? You don't get really much, but on an average you should get about 3 to 5 hours on average. Depends on your use case, though most of the time you'll be using it while plugged in, but if there is no light, averagely you should get about 3 to 5 hours from the battery. It comes with the battery in the pack and the charger, and they also give you Ethernet cable. So if you don't want to use the wireless, you can plug the Ethernet to maybe your PC or something. If you are using it for like gaming, so you can plug in with the Ethernet cable and you should be good. So after using this for a month and a half now, this is actually worth the money if you ask me. If you use a lot of data, you don't have the money for Starlink, go and get this. If Airtel network is bad in your area, please don't get this. And if you have 5G coverage in your area, this will even be better for you because you'll be able to use the 5G internet speed. And this place, you are not paying for the data, you are paying for speed. You have unlimited data, but there is speed. You pay 20,000 naira for 20 Mbps. Most people go for the one in the middle, it's 35,000 naira, but the 20,000 naira is okay for me. So that's everything a common user like me that works from home is going to expect out of this thing. So if everything I say in this video sounds like something that is okay with you, go ahead and buy this thing and you should be good. Like and share this video to someone that might need to buy this thing and help them save more money on data plans, because data is expensive.